Hi guys, today we are having our mukbang and we have a Spanish bread. We have this huge crab, sweet potato leaves. We have these steamed bananas, okra, salmon, and a balimbing or a star fruit. Now Christian is having some rice. And she have this salmon. She loves salmon. I give her some salmon here. And she loves the rice. Okay, and she loves this. She loves this one too. I have this vinegar for the sweet potato lips. She cannot have this because these are pretty spicy. She cannot chew the stems because they are still pretty hard. Very good. You like it? The man? She liked the sweet potato leaf. You better swallow it first, baby. Swallow it first. Okay, we're gonna start cooking this. Oh, wow. Yummy. I don't have a cracker, so I'll just crack it with my with my mouth. Mmm. Here's some crab, baby, ah. Crab. Crabs, oh. Mmm. This is her first time eating crabs, so I don't have to give her a lot of crabs because I want to see if she's not allergic. But salmon, she has salmon all the time. Mm-hmm. Mm. Everything okay? This is a very good crab. Good? Lami lang? Hala. Liganahan among bata. Laki ng crabs. Ano ba yan? Yung ano? Nasaan? Uy, ginoo ko na loko. Itong salmon, isave ko yan sa kanya. Dahil yan ang ulam niya. Hala. Ang hawa. Ngayon, kain ka ng balimbing na. First time niya sa balimbing. Okay, nandito na. Oh. Sarap ng balimbing pag hindi masyadong hinog. Yung ganito ang kulay, may green pa. Huwag mong laruin na, kainin mo. Grabe ang juicy ng ang juicy ng balimbing nak, no? Oh my God. Wow, gusto niya. First time niya. Hindi naman kasi maasim ito eh. Huli ka na naman. Nak. Sige, kainin mo.